Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the TP-Link model supports 5G and gathering essentials. Plug the router into the modem with an Ethernet cable and power both devices. Once powered, connect your PC or phone to the router's default Wi-Fi or via cable, then open a browser and go to the admin IP. Log in with the admin credentials. If unchanged, change the default password immediately. This secures access and makes the next configuration steps faster and safer. Once logged in, navigate to wireless settings and choose the 5 GHz band. Enable it and set a clear SSID so you recognize the network. For security, pick WPA2/WPA3 and enter a strong passphrase. This protects higher speeds and modern devices. Then set channel width. Use 40 or 80 MHz for performance and either auto or a specific low interference channel. Make sure to save and apply changes. The router may reboot, and connect. After applying settings, reboot the router and reconnect your devices to the new 5 GHz SSID to verify improved speeds and coverage. Make sure to check for firmware updates in System Tools and install any available release for security and bug fixes. If connectivity problems persist, try switching channel or reducing channel width and test again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and repeat configuration. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Change channel and firmware before resetting, because many issues stem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.